Fully active. There is the final product, people. Jamaican Blue Mountain honey mustard pepper wings. People, yes, today I'm going to give you some nice wholesome content. Yeah, everyone's been asking, oh, when you cooking again? Yes, today we're cooking. Yes, we are on our way to get some chicken wings, because today we are cooking Jamaican Blue Mountain honey mustard pepper wings. Yeah, it's a title and a half, isn't it? But you know the style, people. We're getting creative with the cooking again, like the original Cook and Vibe days. You know what I'm saying? So, yes, today, it's too long to say the whole title again, but that's what we're doing today. Yeah, man, a good vibe. So we're on our way to get some chicken wings. Got the rest of the stuff indoors already. So, yeah, that is it. Let's go. Yeah, we got our chicken wings, people, isn't it? But just before we go home, I just want you to take in that outfit. Yeah, check out the new clothes, people. You can go up close and personal, you know what I mean? Yeah, just brand new Psycho Bunny and that. He's looking fresh. With the bean. We're outside. We're gonna go back to the yard now. Cook the Jamaican Blue Mountain honey mustard pepper wings. That is it. Fully active. This is what we're going to use for our seasonings for our wings, people. So we got some dry seasonings, some Scotch bonnet pepper flakes, just to bring out that pepper. All-purpose seasoning, Jamaican style, you know the thing. And this is the star of the show. Look, this Bell Core, that's the brand. Blue Mountain presents honey mustard pepper sauce. So that's the star of the show there, people. You know what I'm saying? We're going to have a little read and stuff. While going all natural, look at that. We'll have a little read of that in a minute, but we're gonna add some extra little honey just to bring it all together. And yeah, that is it. Yes, people, we're in the kitchen, fully active. Press the like button and make sure you share, subscribe and all that sort of stuff. Some humble content for you today, you know what I'm saying? It's getting cold outside, people, so something to spice it up and warm you up indoors. You know what I mean? Yeah, so like I say, this is the star of the show, the honey mustard pepper sauce. Yeah, so yeah, let's start chopping up the chicken wings. Yeah, so let's chop up our chicken wings, people. So first of all, we're just gonna got the bone bit, and then the flat wing. There you go, and we'll chop the little towel bits off. And then, obviously, wash it. Yes, people, so first of all, we're gonna, after they've been washed, obviously, wash the chicken. Don't be a cannibal, or a Hannibal. Don't be a Hannibal Lecter. All right, look, first of all, we're just gonna get a good bit of all-purpose seasoning in there, all right? That is it, our good vibes. And then we're gonna get some of this Scotch bonnet pepper flakes. You know what I mean? Get them in there. Give it that little spice, you know what I'm saying? I think that should be good. Just gonna add a little bit of chicken seasoning. One sec, stay right there, people. That is it. Our good vibes, and that is all for our dry seasoning. Yeah. All right, now we go. People got a little bit confused there. Don't worry about it. Just everyone's got to chill out. Just chill out in your seats, mate. You know the baby. All right, get some honey on them. Sweeten them up nicely. Honey always goes well with wings. And then for the main star of the show. All right, here we go. Here's for the honey mustard pepper sauce. I mean, obviously it's pepper sauce, so we don't want to like completely marinated because it's going to be mad spicy, but we want it in there enough. You know what I'm saying? I feel like that should be good. Anything more than that's going to be mad too spicy. But yeah, I think that's good still, because we're going to marinate it and cook it as well, so good vibes. So let's have a look at this sauce then, people. So the brand is Elcore. So Elcore Lodge was once an 18th century coffee estate nested in the foothills of Jamaican Blue Mountains and is today home to Belcore preserves. All right. A mild and zesty hot sauce with roasted Scotch bonnet peppers. All right. All right, people. So first of all, we're going to fry off the wings. Get them flavors soaked into there nicely. Good vibes. That is it, people. Fry up the wings then in batches, you know? Yeah. As you can see, the little pepper flakes and stuff are going into the oil. The sauce into the oil, just give it to that nice flavor as well. So after they're fried, we're gonna test them. We might even use more of the sauce to dip it in. But if it's tasty enough without it, then yeah. If not, then we dip it as well. You know what I mean? Yeah. So about 8 to 10 minutes, we're gonna fry them, and then we're gonna put them in the oven all together. The reason why we're doing that is because we're doing it in batches. They can't all fit in the frying, so we're just gonna fry them off for 10 minutes, and then we're gonna finish them off in the oven. Second batch has gone in now. And that's the first batch there. That is it. Yeah! In the meantime, we're gonna make a little coleslaw to go with the chicken wings, yeah? All right. So first of all, we're just grating up the carrot then, people. Fully active. Dash of salt. Squeeze some lemon in there. And just add some mayonnaise, and that is it. Mix that together. That is it. Ready? We can put that to the side for when our chicken is done. Cook and Vibe. I've got brand new music out right now. It's called Anything.
Some girl forget anything. Anything she want. Yeah. Good pussy girl forget anything. Sky. Anything. Tell every girl a draw near. Girl a cock it up and put your foot in the air. Girl you know so you will lead everybody happy cheer. Should be in gear. Girl you cause a commotion. Make your body sweat like you just use lotion. Wine for the G and gimme slow motion. Make your body like it there in the ocean. Make me know the program. Make me know the pray. Make me know the strips. If you want shrimp, then I love to you forget. Girl, your body good, me not forget. Hey, me not forget a bumper claw.
Yes, people, stream that, run that up, download that, use the sound on TikTok, post it everywhere, tell your friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. M.R's got new music. Anything is out right now. Brrr. Fully active. There is the final product, people. After 25 minutes in the oven, there we have Jamaican Blue Mountain honey mustard pepper wings. Good vibes. We're gonna finish it off. We're gonna top it with some more honey mustard pepper sauce. Yeah, and play it up. That's it, woy. Fully active. So, I've covered the wings a little bit with some more pepper sauce. We've got some fries, we've got our coleslaw there. Got a little puddle of the sauce there for the fries, for the chips, or whatever you want to call them, you know what I'm saying? There we go, people. Jamaican Blue Mountain honey mustard pepper wings with fries and coleslaw. All thank you to this sauce. Good vibes. That is it, people. Taste time. That is it. Taste time, people. So I'm going to go in for a flat wing first. Okay. Nice peppery still. But you know what? Not too much. That's really nice. Do you know what? You can taste like the honey. The Scotch bonnet is really alive in it. And it don't taste too vinegary. Really nice. Let's try a little fry with some coleslaw. Good vibes. Yeah. That one there work, people. I think it's a little bit better with a little bit of sauce on top. Yeah, man. A good ride, people. Yeah, man. Fully active, my father. I hear that. People leave a comment or a like in the comment section for your chance to get a big up. Fully active, people. Welcome to the big up section. That is it, man. Just do the right thing if you haven't subscribed already and press that like button. Get the video moving quick and fast. You know what I'm saying? I hope you enjoyed today's episode. Cooking inside the Cook and Vibe kitchen again. I feel like we're back. I feel like we're back at home. I feel like I was on track and then I kind of lost track again. But do you know what I mean? As the weather gets worse, the more we got time to do stuff. So, yeah, man, big up yourself, people. Thank you, everyone, for staying locked and staying tuned. You know what I'm saying? Yes, we got brand new music as well, people. If you haven't listened to it yet, if you haven't streamed it yet, if you haven't downloaded it yet, make sure you do. It's called Anything. It's out right now. But this week's big up section, big up. Prince NW1, he said, tried them Fanta wings in Nando's. They are nasty. All right, so he is regarding the previous episode. If you haven't seen that, make sure you go check it out. That is Fanta chicken wings, Nando's Fanta chicken wings. We tried it. Go and have a look and see what the review was. Also, big up Samson Parker. He says, blessings. More blessings, my bro. That's what it's about. You don't know other things that people. Big up yourself. I will see you next time. Big up yourself.